guys, so today I'm gonna cut bangs on this wig. I'm gonna cut bangs because like I feel like it's gonna be easier for me to wear if like I have bangs, because obviously like the hairline's not gonna show. I'm just gonna blow dry and straighten it, and then I'm gonna cut the bangs. This wig is from RPG Hair. Everything will be down below in the description box. So yeah. Oh my god, this thing's falling off my head. Oh my god, I'm about to rip my edges out. It's literally taking me forever, but I feel like I'm not doing a bad job. It's not stiff. Yeah, so I'll be back when it's done completely. Okay, I'm back and it's literally like 5 hours later. But you know, I took like 10 breaks while straightening my hair, and I ate and I did my makeup. Oh my god, it looks so wiggy right now. So I see everyone like do a triangle shape, and just so you guys know, I don't know what I'm doing. I've never cut bangs before. This is definitely not going to be even because I overplucked this wig when I first like did it and stuff. I'm just gonna straighten this piece. I feel like that's too thick. I'm gonna be here all day. Start off with that. I'm just gonna that's how nervous I am. You guys are probably wondering like, why the heck is she nervous? It's not even her real hair. Well, I paid a lot for this wig and I'm really not trying to mess it up. I kind of just have a regular scissors. It's not like a hair scissors or anything like that. And I actually have this tiny thing. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do with this, but I got it off of like a mannequin kit. A manicure kit or something, like, you know, like a nail kit. I guess it's for like your toes or your nails or your cuticles or something. But I'm gonna attempt to use this to like, or I don't know. Okay, we're just going for it. Just go, just go. I feel like I need to be calm. It's gonna work out better if I'm calm. Okay? Oh my god. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna like twist it, because I see that's what people do. Oh, it's kind of cute. Oh. Maybe I'm gonna curl it and see how it looks. These are obviously way too thin though, like I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, it's like my first day of kindergarten. Oh my god, there's hair in my eye. These scissors keep getting stuck in my fingers. What the hell? What the hell? It's not coming off. Oh my god, it's literally stuck. I think it's starting to look better. I'm terrified I'm gonna end up looking emo, and that's just like, that's really not what I'm going for. I don't know what I'm doing. It looks kind of good. That's actually a look. I'm shook. It's definitely too long. I look dumb. Make them more. I'm taking the nail scissors thing. I'm just cutting out this. I don't know how to do this side because I'm like I'm right-handed. I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna continue to cut up, but with this scissors, because that scissors was not doing anything. I'm gonna go get a wand and see if I can like curl it. I've literally been here for like 25 minutes already. It's too thin, right? It's definitely too thin. Hello?
Are you trying?
It's taking me forever, but in my defense, I've never cut bangs before. What am I doing? I'm gonna curl it. Oh my god, I literally fucking burnt myself. You guys, I'm really freaking struggling. I'm kind of frustrated because this is taking forever. I'm taking a wand again, the wand that burnt me like 3 times already. It's just sticking out. I'm going way thicker. So I kind of got it where I like it. So now I'm just gonna like curl the hair because I feel like it doesn't look good pinned straight with bangs like this. I just sat here and put waves in this whole thing and I still don't like it. Okay, so that is it, I think. Yeah. Okay, so it's the next day. I was getting so annoyed yesterday because I kept burning myself and it wasn't coming out right. But yeah, this morning I was looking at the footage from yesterday and I decided to straighten it. And now that it's straightened, I'm like, I don't know what looks better. Like, did it look better wavy? I don't know, but somebody let me know if it looks better straight or wavy. But yeah, I actually really like it. It's obviously gonna be much easier to wear the wig now because I don't have to like try to like blend the lace or anything like that. And I can also like wear it in a ponytail or something. That would be kind of cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.